this video, we want to consider binomial theorem, just like what we did in our last video, how we make use of Pascal triangle to expand a particular expression with a given power. Also want to consider a binomial theorem that is used to expand a particular expression with a given power. Take for example, when you are given x plus y raised to power n, and we need to expand this. How do we do that? We can make use of binomial expression, which is given in this form: summation n taking r, that is n combination r, x raised to power n minus r, y raised to power r. So that is the expression for binomial theorem. And we now want to consider this, which is n combination r. What does that mean, and how do we express it? That is going to be n factorial over r factorial into bracket n minus r factorial. So that is the expression for that. Now, another new thing that we need to consider there is n factorial. When you are having n factorial, what does it mean? N factorial means n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by 1. So in this case, take for example, you have 3 factorial. That is going to be 3 multiplied by 3 minus 1, that is 2, multiplied by 2 minus 1, that is 1. So you are going to have this, and when you simplify that, you have 6 as your answer. So that is that when you are given n factorial. When n factorial is given. Now, let's now have a condition whereby we have 3 combination 2. How do we do that? That is going to be 3 factorial over 2 factorial multiplied by 3 minus 2 factorial. And this can be expressed as 3 factorial over 2 factorial. 3 minus 2 is 1 factorial. So this can be expressed as 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 times 1. And when you simplify that, you have 3 as your answer. So that is how a factorial is being done or expressed. Now, let's now go back to our work, which is binomial theorem. When you are to expand this, x plus y raised to power 3 now, that means our n is now 3. So, to do this, you take the value of r from 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, you start doing that one after the other. This will now be equal to summation r equals 0 to 3, 3 combination r, x raised to power 3 minus r, y raised to power r. And this now gives us 3 combination 0 when r equals 0 multiplied by x raised to power 3 minus 0, y raised to power 0, plus 3 combination 1, that is when r equal 1, multiplied by y raised x raised to power 3 minus 1, y raised to power 1, plus 3 combination 2, multiplied by x raised to power 3 minus 2, y raised to power 2, plus, when r equal 3 now, 3 combination 3, multiplied by x raised to power 3 minus 3, y raised to power 3. Now, we now take this one after the other. You have this to be 3 combination 0, just like how I did it the other time. That is how we are going to do it to get the value for this 3 combination 0. And if you do it that way, you are going to have 1. That is 1 multiplied by x raised to power 3 minus 0 is x raised to power 3. Multiplied by y raised to power 0 is 1. Plus 3 combination 1, that is going to be 3. When you do it the way I did it the other time, x raised to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2, multiplied by y raised to the power 1, then plus 3 combination 2 is also 3. You can verify that by checking it the way we did it the other time. 3 combination 2 is 3, multiplied by x raised to the power 3 minus 2 is 1, multiplied by y raised to the power 2, plus 3 combination 3 now, that is going to be 1, multiplied by 3 minus 3 is 0, multiplied by y raised to the power 3. Now, when you simplify this, 1 times x raised to the power 3 times 1, that will give us x raised to the power 3, plus 3 times x squared y plus 3x y squared plus, this is 1 times 1 times that, y raised to the power 3. So that is the required expression. Thank you so much. Please try to subscribe to this video, and if it is not even for you, if you don't need it now, it's likely your children or your younger ones will need it. That is why you need to subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless.